Welcome to episode 5. This is your boy, podcast host Rocco Dog. I have some awesome tips and tricks on how to spray paint a car. Through many great conversations with auto body experts, I have compiled the 4 top tips on spray painting your next project vehicle. Tip number 1. Choose your color prior to starting anything on your auto project. If you are on a budget, steer clear of paints with red or pearl in them. These paints are often much more expensive than their standard color counterparts. Just walking around and noticing the colors on makes and models that you like will greatly decrease the time you spend searching for that perfect shade in the auto body store. Tip number 2. Safety is priority when it comes to any automotive repairs. If you do not know, paint has harmful chemicals in it. These chemicals can be dangerous to your lungs and possibly life-threatening. This is why you should always wear protective gear such as breathing mask that covers your entire face and a ventilation hood. In addition, paint can also have chemicals that are caustic to the skin. This is why you should wear gloves or some other protection for your hands. Tip number 3. You know the old saying, cleanliness is next to godliness. The saying holds true in auto painting. To be successful at painting your car, you must be debris and dust free in your work area. In addition, you will want to make sure your spray paint gun is clean. If you purchase your own guns, simply clean them after each use so that they spray correctly and last forever. If you decide to rent a spray gun, make sure it has been well maintained and, if necessary, clean it. Tip number 4. Finally, you will want to choose the correct paint for your specific project. If you are restoring a car or refinishing a vehicle that is more than 20 years old, you will likely need acrylic lacquer or acrylic enamel. This type of paint can be found at most auto body and paint stores. If you happen to be working on a late model car, then urethane will be the kind you need. Make sure to ask the store clerk if you have any reservations on which type of paint is appropriate. That concludes this episode. Be sure to check back in daily as we produce new podcasts on auto repairs. Also, sign up for our newsletter to stay up to date on the next featured podcast. Visit us at www.alphadogautotalk.com, that is alphadogautotalk.com. Thank you for listening and wish you a blessed week.